Before modern dating apps, romantic comedies, or even the concept of marriage, how did early humans find their partners? How did our ancestors navigate the complex world of love and survival? In today's video, we'll travel back in time, hundreds of thousands of years, to explore how our primal ancestors found mates. Spoiler alert, it wasn't as simple as swiping right. Let's set the stage. Early humans, like Homo erectus or Homo sapiens, lived in small, nomadic groups, hunting animals and foraging for food. The environment was harsh, with predators, scarce resources, and ever-changing climates. In such conditions, survival was the top priority, but the need to reproduce and pass on genes was just as critical. Survival wasn't just about brute strength. Early humans had to form strong social bonds to protect one another. These bonds were the foundation for relationships. Unlike modern societies where physical appearance or personality might be key factors in attraction, early humans looked for mates who could increase their chances of survival. So what did that mean? First, strong, healthy individuals who could contribute to the group's welfare were highly desirable. Men who were skilled hunters or protectors, and women who could gather food or take care of offspring, were considered valuable mates. Fertility and strength were the most critical factors in choosing partners. But it wasn't just about survival. Early humans were social creatures, living in groups of 20 to 50 people. Within these groups, social structures played a huge role in who ended up together. Anthropologists believe that early humans formed pair bonds, long-term relationships similar to what we think of as marriage today. This was key to raising offspring and maintaining social stability. In these small groups, individuals were often familiar with each other since childhood, and relationships could be formed based on trust and shared responsibilities. However, group dynamics could get complicated. Conflicts over mates likely occurred, and dominant individuals often had the upper hand. Now, let's talk about attraction. Even in the distant past, attraction was part of mate selection. Anthropologists suggest that early humans may have engaged in rituals or displays to attract mates. This could be dancing, gift-giving, or showing off skills in hunting or gathering. Interestingly, some researchers believe that early humans also used adornments. Yes, something like early versions of jewelry. Shells, feathers, or even bones could be used to display strength, status, or fertility. And, just like today, humor, personality, and intelligence might have played a part. While physical attributes were important, those who could form bonds, make others laugh, or contribute to the group's culture were highly valued. Not all mates were chosen within one's own group. As humans evolved, interaction between neighboring groups became common. Trade wasn't just for goods. It could involve the exchange of mates. These exchanges helped prevent inbreeding and created alliances between groups. Women often moved between groups, which helped to strengthen bonds between tribes and spread genetic diversity. These early forms of marriage alliances were crucial to human survival and helped lay the groundwork for later cultural developments. Over time, human societies became more complex, and so did courtship and mate selection. Agriculture allowed for more stable settlements, leading to larger communities and more structured mating systems. This is where early versions of marriage, dowries, and arranged unions likely came into play. But when we think about it, some elements of early mate selection still exist today. We still seek partners who provide stability, support, and companionship. And in many ways, attraction, whether based on humor, intelligence, or appearance, remains a driving force in human relationships. In the end, the way early humans found mates wasn't all that different from today. Yes, the circumstances were far more primitive, but the human desire for connection, survival, and the continuation of our species has always driven us to seek out partners. Next time you think about modern dating struggles, just remember, Our ancestors faced saber-toothed tigers, food shortages, and the cold of the Ice Age while searching for love. So, maybe swiping on an app isn't so tough after all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into our past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what ancient human topic we should explore next.